Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheese squishy. To begin, we'll explore the fundamental science behind softening cheese. The key lies in carefully manipulating its internal structure. We'll focus on how gentle heat and controlled moisture can transform firm cheese into a wonderfully pliable and soft treat. This easy method will help you achieve that perfect squishy consistency every time, enhancing your culinary creations with minimal effort and maximum deliciousness. Achieving squishy cheese often starts with gentle heat. You can use a microwave on low power, stirring every 15 to 20 seconds, or a double boiler for more control. The goal is to slowly warm the cheese, allowing its proteins to relax without separating the fats. Heating too quickly can result in an oily, rubbery texture. Maintain a steady, low temperature, ideally around 140 degrees Fahrenheit, for optimal melt and softness. Adding a touch of moisture is another excellent way to enhance cheese's squishiness. As you gently heat your cheese, gradually stir in a small amount of liquid, such as 1 or 2 tablespoons of milk or water per 8 ounces of cheese. This liquid helps to emulsify the fats and proteins, preventing the cheese from becoming stringy or clumpy. It results in a much smoother, more pliable, and truly squishy texture, perfect for various dishes. For the best squishy cheese, start with varieties like mozzarella, cheddar, or Monterey Jack, which have higher moisture and fat. Always shred or cube your cheese into small, uniform pieces. This ensures it melts evenly and quickly. Remember, patience is key. Avoid the temptation to rush the process with high heat. Overheating can lead to a greasy, tough result. Follow these simple tips for consistently perfect, delightfully squishy cheese every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.